All right, clubbers, get ready with me to go see Beyonce. So you guys know I definitely had to add a DIY element to my outfit. I got this corseted top at Rainbow. This is my local Rainbow, so I don't have a link for it. But it was only about $20 for the top. And I got these rhinestones from Walmart and went about bedazzling all night long for this result. These are my shorts. I got these off of Fashion Nova. And then these are the boots. I got those from Walmart, as well as the stringed rhinestones. And I'm just gluing them on in a lined pattern just to add a little bit more sparkle to my outfit because I didn't want the black to overtake it. And I just continued to add the rhinestones until I got this desired look. Now we are going to get my face together. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I am not a makeup guru in any way, shape, or form, so I'm not really going to give you the details of what I did. Now, I do have the Patrick Star One Size setting spray. I actually got it because Scotty Beam posted it on her Twitter, and I ended up copying it that same week that she posted about it. And then it just turns out that that's what Beyonce uses to keep her makeup in place for her concerts. And this is the final look for the makeup. I think it came out really well. There's a few car selfies. And then once I got to the venue, I added a few extra jewels to my face and a couple of the concert pics before the concert started. I really love my outfit. It was super comfortable. The only thing is that Florida is a very, very hot. And so this fan was definitely necessary. And I went with my nephew. This is getting ready for the concert to start. When this concert finally started, the entire stadium went wild. I'll see if I can add a piece of the audio so that you guys can hear. And of course, just a few clips of us enjoying the concert, singing along. And guys, we got Blue Ivy. I was so excited that she was able to perform at our stop. This concert was everything. If you are going to the Beyonce concert, make sure you tag me on IG, especially if you're going to DIY any element of your outfit, especially either one of the ones that I showcased in this video. And let me know if you've already attended the Beyonce tour or if your stop is coming up still and which stop you will be going to. Thanks for joining me for another video. Make sure you like the video, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell for notifications. And then head over to haiku_creations to follow me on IG and tag me if you guys do either of the DIYs in this video and let me see what your Renaissance outfits look like.